This is a dream. This is what to see KZN eThekwini, having people visitor every day, and the economy yaseThekwini ihamba kahle. Sicela ukubonga to people abazile to support iPlatinum invading Artisan.
The vibe is everything. I'm here for the fun, and I'm not exactly that. So we're out here.
Great vibe. I really enjoyed it. The people here are very nice. They're totally awesome. I enjoyed it. I loved it.
We're having fun. It's the all white party and Artisan.
We just want to see all the provinces coming down to the Zulu Kingdom and making eThekwini the best city in the world.
What's